You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. Ebullient. Let's break it down into syllables. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Ebullient. Ebullient. Now, some may say it with a schwa sound as the first syllable and a sound, as in ebullient, which is fine too. It can also be pronounced as ebullient with only schwa sounds. But generally, the sort of academic pronunciation, ebullient. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.